Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the virtual library. Your teacher may be sharing several different virtual libraries in their Google Classroom, and this is the how to use them video. All right, so here we're inside of the teacher's Google Classroom. Remember, we're going to make sure we select the classwork tab so that we're looking at the classwork. I see here virtual reading library. I'm going to select that. Ooh, it's the Mo Willems library. When I click into Mo Willems library, it's going to show me his virtual library. Now you'll notice it takes a little while to load. That's because there's a lot of different things inside of this library and a lot of live links to take you to the read aloud books. So please be patient while the library loads. Once your library is fully loaded, you will be able to select books. You'll be able to tell if there's a book there because when you scroll over it, it will turn into a little hand. And then you can click on the book. Oh, mine's outlined because I'm the teacher version, but then I'm going to go to this link, and the link will take me into the story. This way, you can enjoy a lot of different stories being read to you out loud in the virtual library. When you've selected a book in the virtual library, you'll see that it actually opens up a new tab. This is the tab that shows the Mo Willems library. This is the tab that shows the actual book that you selected, and you would have pressed play and listened to the story aloud. When you're done, you can simply come up here and X out this new tab because we no longer need it open. This will take us back to the Mo Willems library, where we can select another book, and you can see it opens another new tab up here. So when you're done with each of the stories, all you have to do to get back to the library, which you've left alone right here, just like you've left your Google Classroom alone, and we'll be leaving our Google Meet alone as well. Once we're done with the story, we're going to click that X, boop, and we're back in the library.